Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Friday again. Morning, Hania, or good evening, Hania. Evening for you, morning for me. Okay, guys, let's start with Bitcoin as usual. Nice to see that Bitcoin is kind of strong. Yeah? Repeat after me. You know the drill. Every time we get in the live stream, we have to do this. Yeah, repeat after me. The market is strong. Yeah, I know a lot of people are waiting for dips, including me, but we have to see the bullishness, the strength in the market. Yeah, I'm keep telling that, and you get this view from a range trader, a guy who wants to see fake outs. Yeah. You can see we are back at 69. Everyone was waiting for lower and lower. Okay, now the market is strong, it's pushing higher, everything is pumping. We are not allowed to chase. What we can do, we can use Holy Grail on 5-minute chart, see the strong altcoins and start hunting. If you don't have Holy Grail, well, join VIP or Premium and you'll get access. Yeah, thank you, Hania. Nice to hear that. Nice to hear that the market is strong. In the weekend, well, let's hope for the best for the weekend. But not on Bitcoin. Hopefully some altcoins. If you can manage to get along on a good altcoin, in the weekend could be nice. Usually in the weekend, I'm not trading Bitcoin. I'll come back to Bitcoin Sunday, just before the weekly crypto review live stream, or after that. I'll try to frame a setup. But for the moment, it's Friday and we are fighting 69. Will it reject 69? Well, let's look left. And you can see the liquidity point is here at 70k, not at 69. We want the market to close above 69, but the liquidity is at 70k here. Yeah. For the moment, looks like the market wants to take that level. If we'll take that level and it's strong enough, could go for the next liquidity point pretty fast. $1,700 higher. And if we'll accept above that level, well, then we have to think about new highs. Yeah? Morning, Caro. Well, retail, it's always wrong, Rado. You have to understand, and you understand that. So that's Bitcoin on daily. You can see indicators are strong, nothing bad. Yeah, OBV is positive, pushing higher. RSI is getting in the overbought area. Another thing, when you see RSI on daily in the overbought area, don't think that's bearish. That's damn bullish. As long as RSI is staying in the overbought area, don't think bearish. When you see it's coming back from the overbought back in the normal range, that's a problem. But could stay embedded in the overbought area? Yeah. And it's a strength sign. We are not there yet. Well, Carol, repeat after me. The market is... Okay, I made this link public. I thought that maybe more people want to see what we see in the market. I don't know. It's available for everyone. So people got a notification that we are live streaming. Okay, that's Bitcoin on daily, pushing to the all-time high, to the old all-time high here. Let's see what will happen. Ethereum, not as strong as Bitcoin, definitely not as strong as Bitcoin, but still, this trade is in profit. We have almost 1 week now. We took this W, it's pushing higher. If Bitcoin will push higher, this one will have to follow. I know it's weaker than Bitcoin for the moment, but still, Bitcoin will drag Ethereum up. nothing you can do here. We are in a short reload zone. Yeah, if Bitcoin will push, then we'll take the liquidity here, and I'll make a big W, and then we'll make another one. Maybe they will stop selling Ethereum. Maybe we can form a bottom on Ethereum. I don't know. It's too complicated for a stupid trader like me. I'll take it level by level. Bitcoin dominance. Well, yesterday was a bullish day for Bitcoin dominance. We are close to 60. Everyone is waiting for that 60 level, but we are close enough to change our focus from Bitcoin to altcoins. Huh? Focus on altcoins on a daily chart for some W's at the bottom, because the risk reward is there, not on Bitcoin. Even if Bitcoin dominance is pushing higher, and will reach 60, will reach 62. Fuck knows how high we'll reach, but I still think from now altcoins, they'll offer us a better risk to reward opportunity. So I'll be focused mostly on altcoins, not on Bitcoin. Yeah, I love to see Bitcoin pushing to the all-time high, makes new highs, okay, but altcoins have the best risk reward. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, it's similar like yesterday, nothing happened. Looks like if Bitcoin will push higher, this one will make new lows. Not great for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, but at some point in time we'll form some clear W's and we'll reverse. When? I don't know. What you say, Sebastian, there? I don't get it. You were talking with Rado. Okay. DXY. Well, it's fighting, accepting above this support and resistance level. Yeah, was the resistance. Now it's trying to become support, but actually what's happening here, it's a fight at this level. Yeah, we'll fight this level. We talked about the Bitcoin total market cap is looking similar with Bitcoin, and is not looking bearish here, guys. If we'll close the day above this high, the week high, that's damn bullish. Total 2, it's a bit weaker because of Ethereum. Ethereum is a big part of this one. And total 3 doesn't look bad, but not great. We need to accept above 662 billion. 662, and then we can say something. For the moment, we have kind of a range here, but that could change pretty fast. Keep in mind, we are talking about altcoins. Yes, like I said multiple times, after we accept above this level, I said market is strong, don't be bearish, and I have the same line today. Repeat after me, the market is strong. I don't see bearishness. Show me something bad on ES. As long as ES is pushing higher and higher, well, risk on markets will be pushed higher also. Yeah. I don't use that tool, Radu. I know some people use it, but I don't use that tool. I prefer Bitcoin dominance, because USDT it's one, you have USDC, USD and USD and a lot of stable coins. And that could be tricky. If they'll print more, if they'll burn something, that will be reflected in the dominance. So I prefer Bitcoin dominance. I don't use that one. Some people use it and they like it, but I prefer not to use it. I'll let other people use it. Usually you'll see influencer talking about USDT dominance. Yeah, indeed, it's useful, but I prefer Bitcoin dominance. That gives me, as a trader, a better grip, a better confluence. I'm not saying you should not use it. I'm just saying I'm not using it. Okay, so that's the overview on daily. Not too many things we can say. Just the fact that the market is strong. Uptrend channel here. I talked about this one from some days. Yeah, you can see pump chaser zone is here, but we can hope for a pump chaser zone when the market will reverse. For the moment, market is strong. and it's trying to push the highs. Well respected channel here, yeah, textbook uptrend channel. Learn this stuff because they are useful. I was hoping for a fake out here to give me an entry or something. No, it's testing the highs. Will stop probably in the middle of the channel. Where will be that, I don't know, but somewhere in here. And if we'll accept above the middle of the channel, we'll push to the highs. That means we'll attack 70k. Let's see what will happen. 4 hour chart, the market is strong. We are in a free short here, free position. We close 50%. Everyone got that notification to close 50% from the trade. I didn't manage to get along. Was kind of ugly even with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart to get along on Bitcoin, so I prefer to stay the fuck out and enjoy the short. It's a free position. I'll probably be stopped out here and the market will push higher. Yeah? Show me a new high and I'll show you a buy, but show me a new high first and a retracement, and maybe we can play something with Holy Grail. Yeah? Okay, that's Bitcoin on 4 hour chart. We can go even on 1 hour, but not too many things we can say. You can see W's attacking the highs here. We can retrace, we can reject a little bit here. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, but you can see W's. Not bad. Okay, now let's go back on 4 hour chart and let's see the rest of the altcoins. Yeah, you can see here, fake out. I'm assuming a fake out here. If you want to take this one, not bad. You have a 3-bar fractal, a nice one here. You have even on lower time frame, maybe you have something else. Yeah, you can see W's is starting to do something. Inverse head and shoulder, call it whatever you want. But if we'll accept back in the trend, well, that will be nice. Another nice thing about alt, well, you have kind of this one. I well respected here. Take this level, not this one, yeah? Why I don't take this one and I'm taking this one? Well, this is forming the M. And it's well respected, you can see here. W the other side of the trend line, LJ, go. Let's go back on 4 hour chart. So alt could be something nice. Manta here, maybe a W the other side of the trend line, has a nice trend line here. So a W here, it's okay to take the W and play. I was hoping for lower, the big long reload zone, but let's think about this one. You can see it's similar, so I'm not eager to take this one here. I could take the LJ, but give me a W. So for the moment, no, I'll wait. Mr. Doge. Anyone remembers Doge? We have a trade, a day trade with Doge. I took this trade in live stream. Who remembers that? Let me find where the fuck it's Doge. There you go. And look what happened. I said yesterday that I should be out here, but I didn't move my stop and I'll leave with the result. And they formed the bottom here and they push it higher. Could push higher to a higher level, yeah. I'll do anything here? No. You had a chance to take this one if you are a premium member? Of course you had. Yeah, you saw the trending Twitter talking about Doge last night when I was posting it's alive and things like that. And you had a nice entry with Holy Grail here. You took it? No? That's up to you. It was a valid entry with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. You should be in profit now. Get used with Holy Grail if you are a premium or a VIP member. Because when the market is trending, it's the best tool possible. I'm not joking. The best tool possible to make some money. Learn it. I'll show you some examples, but I cannot stay and scan the market all the way there, all day for you. So you have to learn this tool. Okay. And you had another entry here if you are, but this was too too early in the morning for me at least. Okay, let's go back here. Doge is pushing higher. Love to see that. And by the way, Doge like Doge, but we have Doji, which you remember I said long reload zone, W is for reloading. Well, we bought 50 cents, we sold above $1, we said we'll reload in long reload zone, we had W's, we bought again, and now it's at $1.2. That's the way I love to trade. Simple as that. Yeah? Simple as that. Buy, sell half on the double. I'm not really trading this one. I'm applying the little old lady kind of risk management approach, at least to accumulate. After that, I'll change the approach. But buy 50 cents, sell above $1, sell half on the double, reload at 70 cents, and now the market is pushing higher. Could take the highs? Well, I think he can. Depending what Doge will do, Doji could follow. And I could see Doji at $10, maybe higher, who knows. Okay, now let's go back here. Doge is pushing higher. Don't chase Doge. Please don't chase it. Yeah? Holy Grail is the only tool that will allow you to chase an uptrend. You know? Take it or leave it. If you don't have access, well, you have to be premium member to have access on that one. This one, IEVO, didn't give us too many things here. Pump chaser zone wasn't respected, at least didn't give us a W. Long reload zone, you can see we touched 61.8. Will be enough? I don't know. I don't see a new W, so I'll wait for that W to form. I will not chase, I will not do anything on this one. I have on the investment, but no trade here. You want to take Stefan setup, which is a mountain man with a larger stop loss? Well, you had the chance here. 61.8, stop loss all the way down. But the window of risk is kind of big for me. I prefer to frame the market differently. Okay, Ethereum here. On this template, on the day trading part, if you remember, we are short. Well, stop us out. Let's think about a bot setup here. Imagine a bot setup forming here, or staying below this level, below resistance. It's actually a sign of strength. Even if Ethereum versus Bitcoin is not so strong, we should still think higher on Ethereum. We can at least test $3,000. So this one, I'm out from this one. Was a nice trade, it's done. We are attacking the highs here. We are in a short reload zone. Doesn't matter how we put it, from this level to this level or from this one to this one. Don't chase here. Holy Grail if you can, or wait for a breakout and retest. That's my thinking. CRV is still the best stable coin we have here. So it's still the best one. Well, for the moment, it's a nice consolidation there. You can see the market is consolidating. We can see the market going back down and take the liquidity and then push higher. When the volatility will start coming in, usually we'll do a fake out to the downside. Don't get scared and close the trade, because we'll probably reverse and push higher. So we'll do something like this. And you'll see a lot of altcoins doing something like this. We had even last night something. Yeah? Range, fake out here. Yeah? And straight up, kind of power of 3. So when you see the market is taking the liquidity here, don't fucking get scared and start DMing me. Well, what I'll do, I should close the trade because it's going down. That's a buying opportunity. Yeah, we are in 2024, for fuck's sake. You want to accumulate at the lows. Okay. What will happen here? Well, we had some SFUs here, so we can push straight up. But it's possible to have another SFU and then to go higher. Dimension. Well, nice dip overnight. Nice dip overnight here. And it's pushing higher. I could see AB equals CD forming here, maybe a bot setup. It's too aggressive for a bot. I don't like that. So it's too volatile. The volatility is too big. And I could see this one straight up. No setup here. Yeah, it's a shorting opportunity here, but because the market is strong, I suggest not to do that. Up to you. E-gold? Well, still at the entry. Fed? Well, on Fed, I don't know what to tell you. I don't like it. Was strong. Maybe it'll be strong again. I just don't like the price action here. This one had a pump and a dump. We had some news and now it's pushing higher. Kind of a AB equals CD. You see where the market stopped? So we pushed higher, we broke down here and we made a W probably on lower time frame. Yeah, look at the W. So you had that pump chaser zone, you had the W, the news, and then back down, consolidating and pushing higher again. It's in the consolidating phase here. I don't recommend to trade here. I know it's strong on the investment, okay, they have bullish news, fundamentally looks better now, I get it. But for a trade, nah, not the best. Pixel, well, at least it's trying here, you can see. Swing low, swing high, trying to do something. We have this LJ. We don't have a W yet, so we can play the LJ. If you want to play something, Pixel is waiting with a W here. Yeah? Byte, all over the place. I don't like the fact that it's up and down, not respecting the fib levels. I don't like that. Actually, it's respecting 38.2, but not enough for me. Solana, well, on Solana, if you remember, we said pump chasers down. On 4-hour chart, looks like just a touch and pump chaser zone. It's actually a wake-up check of this support, and now it's pushing higher. If you go on 1 hour, you'll see something. What we have here? W in the pump chaser zone. Or 3-bar fractal in the pump chaser zone. Yeah? 3-bar fractal, breakout, retest. If you go on lower time frame, let's say 5-minute chart, you'll see even better. You'll see a W on Solana. Yeah? At the end of the day. But let's say you just took the W, or you are still waiting. Well, wait for a retest at this level if you are thinking. You can take this W. It's a W, ugly, but it is there. So entry 150, stop loss at 147. $3 window of risk is not bad for Solana. Let's be realistic. Solana could pump in the right environment, could pump really nice. We'll see. Ton, I don't think it's ready for the next step. I think we'll consolidate more, even fake out to the downside, and then we'll push. Doji, we talked about this one. Don't touch it here. You had the chance. It's up to you. My bags are full of Doji. I'm at the max. I'm not allowed to add more. I need a sell half on a double, and then I could reload. So for the moment, no. It's too high for my taste. I'll enjoy the pump. I'll make some nice money on the way up. Saga all over the place. I could see a bot setup forming here. 4-hour chart, I don't know. I think 4-hour chart is better. Now, at least we have clearer levels. So, a bot setup forming here. We are still in that megaphone, which I don't fucking like, but well, this is the first part of the bot. You can see below 33, above 66, which is nice. Let's clone that one. If people are watching this video and they are seeing me framing the bot setup day in and day out, and they are not learning how to frame a bot setup, I don't know what to say about that. Bot 2, okay. Seems reasonable here. Touch of the megaphone high for a target. We have one low. Well, let's call 2 lows. We have a W trying to form here. That will be your entry here. Yeah. So you have to wait for the entry, breakout and retest, or play a stop limit order. Something like this. You want to take this W? Well, I'll take it, but it's risky. We can think something like this on lower time frame, yeah, 1 hour and lower. Swing high, swing low, and we can think long reload zone here, yeah? And you kind of have a acceptable, not the best, but some location. I prefer the bot because why? We are in a starting on an uptrend, and I want a bot setup. Bot setup, it's a continuation trade. So that's Saga. Tao, disappointing. Well, so Tao is the best. Well, you have a location here if you are thinking still in an uptrend, but it's lazy. You can see it's consolidating. Not enough for me to buy it. Not high enough or not in the right place to short it. Just leave it alone. It's ugly for the moment. Yeah, you can go on a lower time frame on Saga. Carol is right. Yes. Well, what do we have here? Higher highs and higher lows. Is that fucking simple? Yesterday we just made a new high. And a higher low. Higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on. So, for our chart, it's still bullish. We have some signs of slowing down? Probably. Yeah, I can see. It's normal to have something like that. And Tia, well, it's taking a long fucking time to get to my target. But it's not up to me, it's up to the market. You can see I have 2 trades there. I'm just waiting like everyone else, waiting for a result. Stop me out or hit my take profit. Yeah. Hands under my ass in this case, and just waiting. Yep, yeah, Carol. Holy Grail is the best tool, like I said. In a trending market, the Holy Grail is the best tool. It's up to the people if they want to use it or not. You have to be a premium member. I'm not giving this one for a subscription or something else. It's a bonus for premium members. They are paying a premium membership, which is fucking cheap, and they get that for a bonus. By the way, guys, if you want to join Capua One, we have the best fucking offer. For example, you want to take the 1 year membership on premium, which is 450. Why you don't take the Capua One now at 990 and you'll get premium access until the program will start and 1 year premium membership and Capua One program? I made a damn nice offer there. It's up to you, but when I'll finish the offer will be done. So I don't know. I'm trying to reward here. I'm trying to reward the people who got in before the exponential move, because in the top or after the top, a lot of beginners will come. I'm trying to reward here the people who joined us before that exponential phase, who are with us in the trenches when the market was low and nobody cared about crypto. I made that offer for this kind of people. It's up to you. Still limited at 20 people for the moment, so I don't think, honestly, I don't know if I'll remove that cap for Capua One. I think 20 people is the best, but we'll see. So, if you want, DM me. You have to do the payment now. It's the same price, yeah, like the old programs, and you'll have instant access on premium. I think it's damn good offer. I'll do the same offer later at the end of the year for Capua 2. But people, don't kid yourself. If you are not a consistent profitable trader yet on swing trading, no business to join Capua 2. Yeah? Join Capua 1. Listen to me, because it's damn better to learn step by step, level by level. It's easy to learn technical analysis. Trust me, it's damn easy to to learn all the technical analysis from the world, but that will not help you to do anything. I started the same way. Well, I learned the technical analysis, well, and the results are bad. Why? Well, because I didn't took it step by step and learned the process. Okay, let's see here. Well, who took Doge? Carol, you are on this one? If I remember correctly, you took this trade with me. This trade was in a live stream. I started the live stream early a little bit, if I remember correctly. Now, how I'm scanning with Holy Grail? Well, I take the strongest ones, and I'm just looking. Well, it's starting of a trend. Yeah, you can see higher high here. Well, if this one will come back and will give me an entry, it's more than happy to take an entry. Let's scan further. Similar here. Well, it's starting an uptrend. Yeah, could be something. Could be just a fake out in the range, but it's something. Let's see more examples. Well, look at this one. Clear higher highs and higher lows. We had an entry here in the morning. You took it? No. Take the next one. Dimension. Look at this one. Huh? Look at Dimension. Really well respected ATR levels. Holy Grail is made with ATR. No? You had an entry here in the morning. Wait for an entry here and see what happens. The next one. Huh? And so on. We can scan the market and see what it works. What is strong and will give us an entry. Even this one, look at this one. It's trying to do something. Will work? I don't know. Take the entry, put the stop loss here, and leave with the results. Yeah? It's starting of something. Yesterday was a range. Look at this one. Was a boring range. Nothing you can do here. You took an entry and that's it. You are not stopped out. Nothing happened. Now it's pushing higher. It's starting to move. Here, expanding volatility. That could mean we'll start an uptrend. Maybe. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high. It's basic stuff. I made this indicator to chase in an uptrend or in a trend, not an uptrend. Because I use this one on the downside in the bear market. Now I'm only looking at the bullish side. You can see I don't even have the bearish part of Holy Grail here. I hide it from the indicator settings. Yeah? So, up to you. No, stop me out, Catalin. Reef stopped me out, took that low. I'm out and I'll hunt a new entry when will be the case. I said when I took it was a risky because we can do lower lows until we'll find the bottom. It's risky. High risk to reward. If Iowa, yeah. Let's see Iowa. Wait. Yeah. W here, breakout, retest of the W, higher highs, higher lows, take the entry, leave with the results, why not? Not bad. Not bad. Well, establish a fucking stop loss, Catalin. A hard stop loss because you are trading on leverage. I don't know why you are still in that trade because took the stop loss. That was a mistake. Establish a stop loss. You can, if the risk is not too big, put the stop loss at the last week low, but put a hard stop loss. Don't fuck around with leverage. You don't want to lose your account, and don't do it again. Go on your journal, note that mistake, and meditate a little bit. Think about why you did that, because we discussed a hard stop loss. And you didn't do that. The hard stop loss, that's why it's hard stop loss. You don't have to be in front of your computer. Hard stop loss will hit when that order will be touched. You'll be out. Yeah? Because that's a mistake. If you are trading on leverage, don't do that. Please don't do it because you'll get wrecked. Let's not say uglier. Yeah, we have Hania here, and I don't want to speak. Don't do that. If you are playing with leverage, hard stop loss, which means order in the market. Guys, don't play around. I'm not speaking only with Catalin here, because I definitely know there are other people trying to do that. Don't do that. Hard stop loss. When the market touch that level, you are automatically out. You lose 1% next bus, but if the market something will happen, rug pull or something, and will go, I don't know, 50% lower, that will liquidate your account. Yeah. If you don't have a hard stop loss on futures, look what Carol said, but I'll tell you, you are risking the entire account on that trade. How I trail properly with Holy Grail? Well, the stop loss is here. Yeah? This is the stop loss line. Well, for example, if I take this entry, I'll just give you an example. Long position, this is my entry, this is my stop loss below this stick line. You can put it safer a bit lower, because you can see one low, two lows. You want to protect capital, and to be safer, you put it just down below, okay? The market is pushing higher, gives your entry and pushing higher. This line will push higher also. Will follow the trend. And you're just adjusting your stop loss with below this trend line. And lower and lower and higher until at some point in time the market will reverse and will hit your stop loss. But will probably hit your stop loss in profit. If that will happen after 10 hour, well, I don't think you'll be too mad about a 10 hour. It's hard to trade that way, but it's damn profitable. You don't have to have a hard take profit in the market with Holy Grail. You can trail if you can stand that emotion, because it will take a longer period of time. The market will do some wicks to the upside and then take your stop loss, and you'll say, well, why the fuck I didn't close at the top? No. If you decide to trail with Holy Grail, then do that every time. Or you can close 50% at 5 to 1 or 3 to 1 and trail the rest. Yeah, I know. I got 60x at some point in time. 110x. But they are exception, Sebastian. They are exception. They are not the rule. The rule is, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. In the right conditions, you can get easily a couple of 10R in a month, which is really nice. If you are risking 1% or even 0.5, it's still a good profit. Yeah, but remember, this tool is the perfect tool for a trend. If you are in a ranging market, don't try to use it. Yeah? In a trend, the best one. In a range, not profitable enough for me to use it. What do you say? You take a look at OP. One of them? Well, why not? Higher time frame, I'm assuming, no? Rado. Weekly. Here we don't have the best weekly W, still forming the bottom. Made a new low. Well, it'll take some time to consolidate, in my opinion, this one. Let's see daily. Daily, I don't want to chase. It's starting to form an uptrend, but I'm not chasing here. Trading with Holy Grail, okay, but nothing more than that. Pump chaser zone, I think will be. You can see long reload zone has the best support. Then pump chaser zone has the second one. Wait for a double here and you can play it. 4 hour chart. Well, probably bearish divergence already. Yeah. So Holy Grail on 5-minute chart if you like this one and you think it's trending. If not, wait for another W, wait for something. Don't chase here. You said about another one. Let's take a look. Now, it's trying to form something here. It's trying. If we'll take the high, the low, long reload zone, you have location, you have a weekly W. For an investor, it's okay-ish. Huh? You can see weekly W in the long reload zone, retesting that level. Okay to dollar cost average. It's okay to use little old lady. Road to financial freedom kind of idea. Huh? So it's okay-ish. You have a nice RSI, nice OBV. Let's see daily. Daily, meh. It's meh. Daily, I think we can go sideways for more. Don't chase. What you see that on daily, on weekly it's nice. On daily, look at here. This is the area where you want. Pump chaser zone just give you a big W there. Yeah. So up to you. And you had another one. IXL. Well, let's take a look. Weekly. Well, finally weekly W here. Breakout. Now it's happening. The breakout. Wait at the retest for an investment. Use little old lady or dollar cost average. Don't chase here. Nice RSI. Nice OBV. New coin. Probably a range here. So the longer the better. Dollar cost average okay, little old lady okay below at a retest of this W. Don't chase here. Let's see daily. You can use little old lady. Looks little old lady holy grail looks strong. This one could push higher even on daily. Yeah? It's trying to do something. So if you see a trend on 5-minute chart, let's see. Yeah, there you go. It's starting something here. Let's put holy grail. Yeah. So even day trading. Don't chase, wait for the next entry. Okay, let's go back on daily. Was just an example how you can chase the market here. Usually you are not allowed to chase here, but with holy grail you can do that. That's the advantage. So this is the weekly W. Wait here for an entry if you are a, I don't know, lower time frame trader, 4-hour chart. I think even a bot setup, but not the best approach. Well, Octavian, I'll do it. I'll do it for you. I said this is the last one, but for you I'll do that. Let's check weekly. Well, definitely good location. Definitely nobody is speaking about this one. They have even some FUD with they try to shield the project and things like that. You know the drill. So on weekly, we don't have a weekly W, okay, but we have a damn good location. 78.6 and so on. Let's go on daily. Shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline retest now. Let's see. Yeah, it's possible, but I don't see that. You know what I want. Bullish divergence between the shoulder and the head. You know that, Octavian. Huh? But damn good location here. Well, it's enough? I don't know. Not the best one, but usually when the bottom is forming and nobody is interested, doesn't look bad, doesn't look good on lower time frame, even for a technician. What do we have here? We have low, high, higher, low, higher, high, long reload zone here. Wait for a W or something. It's possible. Not bad. You want me to go lower? Okay. Shoulder, head, shoulder, no. W in the long reload zone. It's all you got here. W retest and pushing higher. You can take this entire thing as a support, as a window of risk, yeah. I think it's possible. I think it's even nice. Well, just retesting of the highs will give you 2.5, 2.7. Not bad. Not bad. For a day trade, yeah, Octavian. No, not bad. It's a good window of risk there. So you are entering at 4.25, stop loss 4.15, kind of, well, not bad at all. Will perform? I don't know. Could lag and could go sideways for be a stable coin. But to find out, you have to FAFO. It's that simple. Or you can wait for another double here. It's up to you. But anyway, good location. Even if you take this swing low, swing high, you have a good location here. The trader's trade on 1 hour chart was this W. Breakout retest. This was the perfect entry. But now it's gone. Today Stefan is out. So I'll close the live stream and I'll go hunting with Holy Grail. I'll be honest. I'll hunt with Holy Grail with VIP members. Premium members, I offered you access for a London session for VIP also. So all premium members have access in VIP room now. So join me there and hopefully we can frame some setups. When you see the market so strong, it's hard to find setups. But with Holy Grail, maybe we can find something. No? Okay. The rest of the people from the general part or only from YouTube, guys, join Discord if you want. Ask to be verified. And I'll give you access on the general part. If you want more, you'll find a channel where you have the drill, what we offer, what price, and so on. If you want to learn, I strongly suggest to take up 101. It's damn cheap. Will not be at this price forever. And I don't know how many programs I'll do. 2025 will be kind of busy for me. In the order you reserve your place, you'll get your place, and if you'll get a place, okay. If not, so be it. It's up to you. I described the offer earlier in the live stream. You'll get instant access on premium. So I think it's a really nice offer. Okay. You can see on DOT, Octavian has a big position, a big account is already moving the market up. Huh? Okay, let's call it a live stream. Hopefully my internet connection problems are done and now I'm able to stream, I'm able to do whatever I want. Yeah? I didn't have problems today. Okay, see you guys later, Sunday in the weekly crypto review or in the next live stream. Bye bye.